What's going on, everybody? It's your boy RNG Crypto here with you for another video, and in this video we're talking about how to sign up for GALA Games, guys, and how to use my referral link to do so. So you can find my GALA Games videos. All of my GALA Games videos will have a link in the description. Please go ahead and copy the referral code and use that link. That's how you sign up, guys. As I explained in my other GALA videos, every time you sign up using my referral code, and that will take you to their landing page. Remember to copy that referral code, click in the top right where you hit register, and use your information, copy code there, and you would register right here, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and skip into my account that I've already created. So I just logged in. It's asking me terms and conditions. I agree. And guys, this is a brand new account, guys. Basically, this is what it looks like when you start, guys. One of the things that you can do is you can go to your account info. Right, I'm not gonna, you can change your pictures and do all that good stuff, guys. There's also this tab, Node Info. You can click on Get Node. When you click on Get Node, it will show you the price. You have to agree to all this stuff here, and you're actually gonna have to go onto Uniswap and buy this, guys. The current price for GALA Game Nodes is, I'm gonna find out right here, about 25,000, almost $26,000. So guys, the next step now is to figure out how to buy this. So we would buy this on Uniswap. This is a decentralized exchange called Uniswap, right? So let's go there. So I'm in Uniswap right now. So guys, what I'll do is I'll copy the address from CoinGecko, and I'm going to have these links in the description. Copy the address, always copy the address, don't buy it, right? We can add it to our MetaMask as well. Let's go ahead and add Gala to our MetaMask, and then we can copy it, the address, go to Uniswap. You will need a MetaMask wallet. I will also leave a link for that in the description. You will need Ethereum in your wallet to pay for the gas fees, and then we will go ahead and take that figure in there. All right, it won't let me paste it, so I'll have to type it. What is it? 307, so 308,000, 308,000. Okay, that would cost me about 6.39 Ethereum, guys. You can also pay with USDT, or you could pay with USDC, right? Whatever you have in your MetaMask wallet, you'll need that currency in your MetaMask wallet. To get the currency into the MetaMask wallet, let's say out of an exchange, you would come up here and you would copy your address to clipboard, and then you would go into that exchange that you currently have, USDC, USDT, ETH in, and you would withdraw or send money out to your MetaMask wallet address. Then you'll have the ETH or the USDC or whatever it is that you are investing with or swapping with. You would then have it in your MetaMask, and then you can select it here. It will come up, and then it will allow you to trade here. All right, that's how you would use this decentralized exchange. So once you've purchased your Gala, it will be in your MetaMask wallet, but it won't be in the MetaMask wallet that's tied to your account for Gala Games. That has its own MetaMask address, so you will need to actually send it there. To do that, you have to click on inventory here at the top left navigation bar. At the very top left, click on inventory, and here you can now see all of the tokens that are currently functional with the Gala Games platform. You want to click on Gala ETH. You have to make sure it's ETH because you bought it on Ethereum, right? So make sure, again, now let me go back. The middle Gala is the Gala that is generated by the nodes. This is the Gala chain Gala, right? And then there's Ethereum Gala. So this is where everything's moving, Gala chain in the middle. But right now, for this purchase, you bought your ETH or your Gala on Ethereum, so you're using the Ethereum Gala. You click on that, and then you click at the top here, Get Gala, and it's going to show you the address. You would copy the address, right? Then you go into your MetaMask, you find Gala, right? I don't have any, obviously, not here at least. And then you would copy the address and you would send it. You hit next, confirm, and you would send it, okay? Low gas fees, but it's because I'm literally sending no Gala. So guys, that is how you would now send it. Then eventually the Gala will appear here. Once the Gala appears here, you go back. Now it's time to go back to your account, and you will then go to node info or get node quantity 1. Make sure you have Ethereum in your wallet, because for this transaction you're going to need Ethereum. You can place order, right? You can select on this scale, you can select the transaction speed, right? Fast makes it go quicker, obviously. Costs more ETH for gas. Slow is lower cost for ETH, right? I always like to do things fast, but it depends also on how much it's going to cost me. You can see 0.0041. Then I would place the order, and then essentially right now it's telling me I can't do it because I have not sent any ETH, right? So guys, this is a mistake that I've made the first time as well. So then we go back to inventory. So I've sent my Gala, but the other thing you need to send is ETH, because we need ETH in this wallet. Again, this is a separate MetaMask wallet with another MetaMask address, which you can actually have loaded into here. You can see mine is loaded into here, GALA Games right there, right? You can actually get it loaded into you through the settings, and I can show that later. But guys, you would need to send ETH here too, because you need the ETH in here. So you click on Get ETH, copy address, MetaMask, right? Go back here, send the ETH, boom, and send it there, right? Next, and do the confirmation and all that stuff. I'm not going to do it, okay? So you only need to send as much ETH as you need for the transaction, okay? So again, once you have the ETH and the Gala in your inventory, right? Let's go back to inventory. You've sent Gala on the ETH network, and you've sent ETH, right? Now you can go back and actually go and purchase the node. So to purchase the node, you go again to node to account settings, node info, get node, right? Click to this one more time, and then you hit place order, and this message should not come up because you've sent ETH in there, and then you would continue. And after you place the order, I'm going to log into my other screen, and you will see what it's going to look like from there. And I'm at my other account now, guys, and you can see here I have 2 notifications. Let's see what I got. I got another 800 Gala about 5 hours ago, and I've got 2.9 Townstar. And I'm currently trying to transfer some Ethereum, some Gala into my actual Ethereum wallet so that I can actually use it to purchase one of these Scorpion tanks. But that's another story, guys. So what I'll do is I'll go into account, and I will go to node info. And here, this is what it looks like when you actually have nodes. You can see both of my nodes are online. I have one running on a Mac. I have another one running on Windows. So what I'll do is I'll actually download these from here, and then you run it and install it. It's so simple. So guys, let me just show this. So I would do this. Let's just put it onto my desktop, right? Then you would execute. Right, I already have a node running, but that's literally it. Once you install the node, the next screen you'll see, and I'll open it here in a second, guys. So right now I just opened this node, so it's still loading all of the transactions that you see where you see that spinning circle. But this is what you would see, look at, guys. So after you've actually opened up or installed your node, you literally just open the program and it automatically goes here. And your node is already operational. That's all it is, guys. It's running. You have to run it 6 hours out of the day, right? So there's 24 hours in a day. You need to run it at least 6 hours. You don't even have to run it 24/7. You just run it 6 hours a day, and you will get your GALA Games tokens paid out to you. So you can see here some information. I've purchased 2. There's this many nodes operational right now. I've already done my 6 hours for the day. That's, guys, again, it's that easy. So once your node is up and running, it's going to start generating the Gala for you guys, and you can see how much Gala I've been generating over the month, guys. I mean, it's tons and tons. You can see further back, it was actually, 1,400, and when I first started going, 1,500, 1,600. So there used to be a lot more Gala being paid out, but I'm still making more money actually, because now that was back when it was like a cent or 2 cents. Now Gala's at 8 cents with a high of, what was the high? 13 cents, guys. So, guys, when we're back at 13 cents, let's just take, the daily figure of 800. Oopsies. Just going to leave you with this one real quick just to give you an idea of what we're talking about here. Right, so let me start my calculator. Right, so I have 800 times, let's just say 13. What would that have been? 100 a day times 30, 3,000 a month. Okay, so let's take 800 times, let's see, with this bull run, we make it to 25, 200 times 30, $6,000 a month, guys. So you can see how this adds up, right? So this is why the GALA Games will be a good investment. Gala Games Nodes will be a good investment, guys. And I'm going to leave it at that, guys. I'm sorry for the boring video, guys, but this is a how-to. I hope that it's helpful. Guys, let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Guys, I'm looking forward to it, but please, again, make sure that you are using that link that's down here in the description. Please make sure to use that, and that will feed the channel, that will feed my sweepstakes for you guys, and that will actually also feed me, hopefully, in the long run. But short term, this is just for you guys. It's just for my community. I want to give back, and if you guys help me out there, I'm giving back 100%, guys. That's it, guys. Have a good one. I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.